Hey guys, Jason here from Usable Smoke Productions. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick method that can help you organize all your third-party plugins for use in Logic Pro. All right, let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is open up any project in Logic will be fine, but for this tutorial, I just have a blank project opened up. And I'm going to go into my plugin manager here. So I go to my menu up at the top, go to Preferences, Plugin Manager. Here we'll be able to see all of our plugins sorted by category if they are stock Logic plugins. And underneath, you'll be able to see all the plugins sorted by their manufacturer. Now, in Logic, when you want to add a plugin, of course, you'll have your menu on the left side of the screen here. And again, these are all your stock plugins here through Logic. And it puts all of your third-party plugins where it says audio units. Now, you can see in mine, I've collected quite a few over the years. And for me to find something, it's not too terribly difficult. It's alphabetized and everything, but there's a way that I can make this a lot faster and more streamlined. So once again, we're going to go to Preferences, go to Plugin Manager. And what I'm going to do is up at the top where it says Category here, I'm going to create a new category. It'll jump it down to the bottom. And I'm just going to create one that says Third Party. What I can do from this point is, if I wanted to, I can go to where it says Manufacturer, and I can just drag and drop any of the plugins that I frequently use into that third-party folder. And what will happen is when I want to add a plugin, I can go down here, and now it lists third-party, and it will put any of those plugins in to that folder. Now they will still be visible where it says audio units. They'll still be there, listed as they were before. But that's one method. Now, a cool trick that I learned that is my new go-to method, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. You can just right-click and remove, or control-click and remove. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sort of like a drop-down method where I can sort my third-party plugins by type. So if I want to create a subfolder for compressors or a subfolder for delays or reverbs, I can do that very easily. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go back up to the top here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type third-party. I'm going to put a colon here, no space, that's important. And I'm going to go ahead and select, I'm going to type in, let's go with tape. Okay, so I just go ahead and right click on that. Not right click, press return, sorry. So I've got third party and then third party tape. I can go ahead and go add another one here. Third party. Let's go ahead, again, no space. We'll call this compressors. And we'll do another one here, category, third party. And let's call these reverbs. All right, that's enough to get us started. So what I'll do now is I'll go ahead and I'll go through my manufacturers, and the ones that I commonly use for my projects, I'll go ahead and I'll just drag them into the appropriate folder. Okay, so what do I use here quite often? I use this guy. Throw that where it says tape. And I can do, I use this chorus plugin quite a lot. Here's some compressors and another tape that I like to use here. So Magnetite, that's a good tape plugin that I like. I use these reverbs quite a lot. Um, so that's enough to kind of illustrate um, what's going to happen here. So now when I go to add a plugin to my track, I can go down to third party here. It has them sorted. Now they'll only appear if you put something in the folder. Okay, so here are my reverbs that I've just added. Here are my tapes that I've just added. So it's pretty cool. It allows you to, within a few minutes of work trying to, just organize your plugin manager, you can find things a lot more quickly, a lot more easily. And that for me has been a lifesaver in terms of improving my workflow. So I hope you found that video helpful. Um, Once again, it helps the channel. If you did find this useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Um, and happy music making to all of you, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.